welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I have a new palette to use. So before this video goes up, there will be another video. It is a haul from Beautybay, so make sure that you go check that out so you can see all the palettes that I got from there. But we're going to be using this palette today, which is the Origin 42 color palette. And let's see, it says it has some metallics and some mattes in it. And then this is off of Beautybay. And I will list the prices. The prices should be on the Beautybay video, but just so that you know what this palette looks like, it looks like this. And let me kind of give you guys a close-up. All right, so I'm going to be doing a look that's gonna kind of go with what I'm wearing. Obviously, new background. I like the other one so much that I looked for a new one that looked like it was either daytime. I don't know if that's like sunrise or the sun is setting, but either way, I like this background as well. So we're gonna go ahead, get started into this tutorial. All right, so the first color, I think that based off of what I'm wearing, I'm thinking I'm gonna end up using this color on my lid, but definitely I think I'm gonna stick to like over here. That's the idea. These colors don't have color names, so I'm just going to have to kind of point out which one I'm using. So I'm going to take first a transition color. I'm gonna use this. Well, there's numbers here. So this says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This says highlight, pop, liner, crease, transition, base. Oh, okay. Well, you can use it however you want, but I guess it gives you some ideas here. I'm going to just go into number 7, base, so this one, and see what the pigmentation is like. Okay, I'm just packing that onto my lid. I'm probably gonna pack a few colors. I do like to mix and match colors to come up with a unique look with my palettes. So that color's in there. That's a nice color. I like that. It looks like a tan in here, but I just feel like it's kind of like, I don't know. I can see like a little bit of orange. I can see like a yellowish tone in there. But anyway, we're gonna go into row 2 under transition. So this one right here, and see what that's given us. Ooh, I like that too. I'm gonna be blending this all in, so don't you worry. Right now I'm just experimenting. Okay, so when I'm gonna go start blending now, but I'm gonna take this 7 base here and start blending. All right. And I think that this is gonna end up actually being a soft look. Every time I say I'm gonna do a soft look, it does not end up being a soft look, but I have a feeling today is going to be a soft look. I'm going to go off, cut my crease, and then I will come right back. All right, so my crease is cut. We are gonna now go in with this shimmer shade. It is row 2 under pop, which is this one. And of course, I'm gonna try it with a brush, and then I'm also going to just try it with my finger, and I'll try it with, depending on how it goes on, but spraying it, I'll try spraying it to see. So I think it's already going on pretty well with the brush, but let's go ahead and test out with our finger. Goes on just as good with the finger. Let me find my spray. I have my Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and we're going to get some of this gold color on the brush. I'm gonna spray it. and then pat that on and see if that does anything. So I feel like the pigmentation is really good even without spraying it and without using your fingers. So far so good with this palette. I think that this is just the Beautybay brand. This is my first time using Beautybay products, so this is actually like a first impressions. I like that. Okay, now we're going to take, I don't think I've used this color here, so number 1 under transition. I'm gonna try that just on this outer edge here. That's bringing in some orange into this. And I'm just patting it on. I'm actually not even swiping it. Okay, now we're gonna get some flick of the wrist action, and I'm taking 3 under this transition row, and I'm gonna just start flicking that forward. These colors are like super pigmented. I'm barely tapping in there once, so I'm going to have to just kind of keep blending that. I'm gonna have to check to see like how much these palettes are. I know I got them when they were having a sale, so I want to say, I feel like I might have gotten it for $20. I'm not gonna put the price that I got it for though. I'm gonna put the regular price that it is on the website at the time of this video, in case you guys want to go check out Beautybay. And they do package their things really well, so everything was packed in a box really securely. They had bubble wrap. They all came in their own little boxes. So I got 5 palettes, so everything was nice. Nothing was damaged. There was no broken eyeshadows. They weren't even moving around inside the box. So I would say I'm just gonna take that first color, the orangish color, and kind of pat it back right here because I lost that when I put the brown. And I think that Beautybay is another company that's in the UK, because I don't think it's here. From when I saw the tracking, I saw something like when I was watching the tracking, like it was going through customs and things like that. So obviously that leads me to believe it's not here in the US, but I have a feeling it's in the UK. I don't think I paid, I think shipping was still free because I bought 5 palettes, and whatever the total was, I was able to get the free shipping. I don't remember if I paid shipping, but I will leave the link to Beautybay down below. They have other brands on there, so the Makeup Revolution, I saw some BH Cosmetics, there's Jeffree Star, and there's other high-end brands. I don't think that you're going to get them any cheaper on there than you would get them on like Sephora or Ulta, but sometimes they might have it if it's sold out at Sephora or Ulta, so that's why I guess it's good to check. So make sure you go check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes off camera, so I'm gonna add the liner, the mascara, and then I will come back on to close out this video. Okay, I'm back. My eyes are done. I did my lips. I'm just gonna go over just so you know what I used. So for my lower lash line, I just went ahead and used this transition row here in this 1 and this 3. So I mixed these 2 and did that for my lower lash line. And then for my waterline, I went ahead and used this Colourpop in the color Puppy. For my eyeliner, I use this Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and this is just the color black. For my mascara, I use these E.L.F mascaras. One's Lash It Loud, and then this was the Mineral Infused. And there's a haul up on these already, so make sure you check out that E.L.F video. For my lips, I use this Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner, crayon in the color Think Flamingos. And then over top of that, I use this Adese New York liquid lipstick, and this doesn't have a color. I don't even remember where I got this from. So yeah, it just says high definition liquid lipstick. There's no color on the bottom or anywhere around it, so it just looks like this. And that's what I used on my lips. Let me know what you think of this look. I think I did a soft neutral look. I didn't go too bold. Again, I use this palette. It's called Origin, and it is from Beautybay. So I will leave the link below. I am not sponsored by Beautybay. It's just a link to help you guys find it and check it out. I don't get any type of money if you click on the link. So thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.